What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron Cates. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today's something that I mentioned a couple videos ago. It's the Vvash Auto Care Wheel Cleaner. I asked if you guys wanted me to do a review on it, and a couple of you were actually pretty interested in it. So instead of just doing it on one wheel, I'm doing it on 3 different wheels, so you guys can kind of get a comparison of what it's like on forged aluminum, what it's like on just basic stock cast old wheels, and then newer cast aluminum wheels. That would kind of be like on any reps or any new stock OEM wheels. I would do it on some cast wheels if I had some like painted black cast wheels, but unfortunately I don't have any to do that for you guys. If I get the opportunity one day to do it, I'll sure enough show you guys. You guys know that. Thank you guys for coming to the channel, subscribing, liking the videos. And thank you guys so much for the support. I've met so many of you guys throughout this almost year now, and honestly I've made some friends over it. You guys have me on Snapchat, you guys have me on Instagram, a couple of you have me on Facebook, and we actually talk quite frequently, and it's pretty nice to actually have a fan base, a subscriber base, and people that I can call my friends and family across the United States. I mean, anywhere from Mississippi, Missouri, Texas, I mean, all the way across the United States, I have supporters, and that's amazing. And it's really crazy because I talk to so many of you guys, and I don't have that big of following on YouTube. So it's crazy that I have such a small following, but such loyal subscribers. I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore with talking. We're gonna get right into this wheel cleaner. Okay, to start out, we're starting out on my set of 22x14 American Forces. Now this is polished aluminum, and I've heard quite a few people say don't use like any type of wheel cleaner or anything like that on Forces or polished aluminum, whether it be welds, RBP forged, anything like that. But Vvash's Auto Care Wheel Cleaner is not harsh. It's not acidic. It's not gonna hurt anything like this. I've done it multiple times on these wheels, and it has not hurt them whatsoever. Okay, so what I start by doing, just like any way of washing something, just spray it off. And these Forces haven't been polished in a couple months. They're on my daily driver. I wash them every weekend with this wheel cleaner. It's just brake dust, road grime, dirt. It's rained probably 3-4 times this week, so there's probably a little bit more dirtier than normal, but I just spray them down, and then I soak my wheel cleaner sponge thing. Bought this from AutoZone for like $6. I just soak this in water. That way it's not going on dry, it's not adding any extra scratches or anything like that. And then I take the wheel cleaner and I just spray the top, the side, the bottom, and that side. And then I just go around the bowl or the lip or whatever you want to call this, and I work it in. And then after I get that done, I do outside right here, the face of the wheel, or outside lip, whatever you want to call this, and they have so many different terms. And then I like to come in and do inside these spokes right here. And after I do the spokes, I go back around the lip of the wheel, make sure it's not drying up on me. And then I come through and just wipe the face down, just get the dirt off. And I have to do this fast because I am in direct sunlight. Okay, now that I've got it all done, just hose it back off. And then after each time I clean a wheel, I always hose out my brush. Since I'm not dipping this into a bucket or anything, I'm not relieving all of the brake dust and dirt off of this. So that's why after I finish each one, I always rinse this out, use a hose or anything like that. It gets majority of the dirt off the surface so you're not repeatedly scratching anything. Now that I've washed this wheel, I go get a leaf blower and I blow dry it. That way there's no hard water spots or anything like that. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the process of that, but I will blow dry this, get it all nice and dry, and then we'll go to the next wheel. Okay, now hopefully you guys can see a little bit of an after. I'll throw a little clip in right here of the before, and then now you guys see what it looks like after. That's just a basic wheel cleaner on some polished aluminum wheels. And show you what the back wheel looks like right now, just for a quick comparison. You guys can see all the water spots and grime and how it just has a hazy look to it. And then you come over and this one's so much shinier and actually looks a lot nicer. Now, all that is just a bottle wheel cleaner. I think it's like $12 or so from Vvash, and if you guys use code KATES15 at checkout, you get 15% off. Now, this is not a complete sponsored video. I did buy this with my own money, but I do have a sponsorship code that you guys can use to get you some money saved up. Now we're gonna go from the polished aluminum wheel, and we're gonna do a old stock cast wheel. If you guys remember the burnout video, these are the wheels I said I would do a burnout on, and I figured what a better way to represent this wheel cleaner than on a wheel that was dumped on the side of the road. No telling how long it had been sitting there, what it went through before it got dumped on the side of the road, anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that wheel now. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this wheel looks like booty. So just like before, I'm gonna rinse it off. And then just like before, I'm only gonna do 4 sprays of this on there. So we'll do, that's the top, we'll do a little side, some bottom, and that side. Like this big blob right here is just stained on it. I don't know, it's like some wire, like a wool would get it out, like steel wool. Even like right here, it's just stained on there. Alright, well, I'm sure you guys can hear me talking. Some of this stuff is just stained on here. So I'm gonna spray some of this wheel cleaner on that stained spots and see if it's sitting on there can make a difference. You guys have been watching, you guys have seen how much it's changed just since I started. But these stain spots, like here, here, inside right here, over here, it's almost that I needed some steel wool to get them off. So I'm gonna see if letting that wheel cleaner sit on there makes a difference. Okay, well I'm sure you guys can see how much that has changed. So let's rinse this off. Alright, well I'll throw a comparison right here. You guys saw the before, this is the after. There's quite a few like stain spots. Like I'm sure if I had some steel wool I could get all of this out because it's like stained into the finish of the wheel. For the dirt aspect of how dirty these wheels are, cleaned them up, you can tell they're a lot shinier now. And still, they didn't get these stain spots out, but I can't expect it to do that. I mean, like, you guys saw I took my fingernail to it and it's like not even budging it. So that needs some serious action brought to these spots all right here. Like I said, these were dumped on the side of the road, so there's no telling what they went through, what they endured in their lifetime. Now we'll jump on to some newer stock wheels, which is kind of like what your replica wheels would be like. Since this is a truck page, I'm sure there's a lot of you guys out there that run reps on your vehicles, whether it be 20s, 22s, all the way up to 28s, 30s. It's gonna be the same type of material as those, because this is an older cast aluminum wheel. This is more of a harder style wheel. The newer wheels, they're they have a different finish to them than these old wheels did. So we'll jump on over to that. All right, everybody, and this is the wheel on my girlfriend's car. Now, guys, we know most ladies do not take care of their cars very well. She washed her car about 2 weeks ago, and I'm pretty certain she didn't wash her wheels. So, as you can see right here, see that line of brake dust right there? That goes all around these wheels. And we're gonna see how much nicer the Vvash Auto Care cleaner can help these wheels. So just like before, now that it's all rinsed off, we'll take our cleaner, like I've done in the past, top, side, bottom, side. And then we'll take our wheel brush right here, get it all wet, and just start cleaning. Okay, now that we've got the whole wheel done, hose it off. And I'm sure you guys can tell this wheel is a completely different color now. Before it was that like tannish, brown, nasty brake dust color. Now it's an actual shiny silver wheel. It actually looks pretty good. So, of course, you'd repeat this process on all of your wheels. You wouldn't just do it on one wheel out of a whole set of wheels. So now that I have one clean wheel on each vehicle, you guys already know what I have to do. I have to go around, clean all of the wheels, but I'll let you guys go before I do that. Now, if you came here just to figure out about this wheel cleaner, like I said, use code KATES15 at checkout for 15% off your whole order. I really do approve of this stuff. Now, if that's what you came here to see, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like that video, like this video, subscribe to my channel for future videos. I can do a product review on just about everything Vvash has if you guys are interested in that. Now, for my guys that are loyal subscribers and you guys came here just to watch my video, thank you for sticking to the end. I do want to talk to you guys. I'm leaving to go to Boston later this week. I'm going up there to see some of my girlfriend's family, and I was interested to see if you guys would want me to vlog while I'm up there. It won't be truck related, it won't be anything like that. It'd just be basically day in my life on vacation in a different state. And if you guys would be interested, I need you guys to comment down below, yes, we want to see you vlog, or anything like that, and I can vlog while I'm up there and not around her family or anything like that, because while we're with her family, I just want to spend time, meet people up there that I haven't met before, and then when we're out, going around downtown and anything like that, I can vlog there, show you guys what all we're doing up there when we're not with her family. So if you guys are interested in that, I need you to drop a comment down below. Yes, we'd like to see you vlog, anything like that. What else do you guys want to see on the channel? I've got the wheel cleaner, finally got that done, out of the way. When we get back from Boston, I'll have a couple surprises to do on the truck. Some things that I've been talking about for a little while. Need to get those done and out of the way. But besides that, I don't have anything fancy for you guys. If you guys want to see the burnout on the stock tires, you guys need to like that video. It's only at 55 likes. So I know you guys can get it to 150. You guys have got my videos above 100 likes before. I know you guys can do it. Make sure to like that video. Like this video. Drop a comment. Yes, we want to see you vlog, anything like that. You guys understand. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video to hear me talk, ramble on. I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.